topic is about installation of node.js and npm on Windows. So what is npm? Npm means Node Package Manager, that is package manager for node.js packages. So where to get this node.js package? So this is the website where you can get your node.js package. Okay, let me copy this URL so and paste in browser. Okay, see here, this is the official website to download node.js package. So in this website, go to downloads. Okay, and based on your system configuration, that means if your system is 32-bit, then go for Windows installer 32-bit version. If your system is 64-bit, then go for 64-bit Windows installer. So my system is 64-bit. I'm going to download this. Okay, just click on it. Okay, it will be downloaded automatically. Okay, just wait a few seconds, it will get downloaded. So download Windows installer based on your system 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, so after download has been completed, just click on it. Okay, let me click on it. Yeah, so just click on next. So next. Okay, you can change if required, but I'm not changing. This is the default location where node.js will be installed. Just click on next. Okay, here are some settings. I'm not going to change the settings. I just clicking on next. Okay, just click on next and then install. Okay, it will take a couple of minutes. It's getting installed. You can see the status. Okay, you can see that updating component registration. So this is some process of installing node.js. Okay, just wait for a couple of minutes. So installation has been completed. Node.js has been installed. Just click on finish button. Okay, now so to check whether the node.js has been installed or not, so we will use the command node.v in command prompt. So just click on command prompt and just type node dot, so node hyphen v. So this is your node.js version. Okay, also npm will get installed automatically with node.js package. Okay, to check whether npm is installed or not, so we will use the following command npm -v. npm -v. Here, so npm version 6.14.13. Okay, so node.js and npm get installed on your system. Okay, thank you.